To begin an import, once you've logged into the system, click on the Groups tab and click the button to import upload your groups. This will bring up the pop-up screen. You can see at the top the numbers 1 to 5, which are going to chart your progress through. Just click the Browse button and locate to the file that you've got saved from earlier. Click Next. You can choose either a single sheet or multiple sheets. We're going to be importing from a single sheet today. The system will automatically map fields that it can. So you can see here it's done the forename, surname and phone number. If it's got any of those wrong, I can change them, and I can also tick the boxes to instruct it to import additional fields. So account number is a custom field and it's going to be called account. It's very important that you spell this in exactly the same way as any fields you've used within your messages. So now we're ready to click Next. Here I need to tell it whether my numbers have country codes or not. Mine don't, so I can leave it on the default. I can also alter the country that it's going to be dialing, and I can tell it whether it should remove the leading zeros before adding the country code, or if I untick that box, they'll already be removed. Click Next. Here I have two options. I can either import it into a new group by typing the name of the group, or I can click to add it to an existing group. It's always worth giving your group a date name so you can recognise it easily at a later time. I can tell it how to handle duplicates. As a default, this will be on Add a New Contact. Click Next. And now I get a summary of the settings I've chosen. If any of these are wrong, I can click Previous and go back and correct them. Once I'm happy with them all, click Finish. Get a message telling me that my import has been accepted, and then one again when it's completed. If you hit F5 to refresh the screen, your new imported group should show up on the screen. And that's you imported a group successfully.